Hey, welcome back to Love, Sex, and Money. Christine Regan Lake here. Good to be back. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do that if you enjoy my videos. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you know when I upload new content. So what are we going to talk about today? Today I want to talk to you about control in relationships. So what is that about, right? Where does control come from, the need for control? Well, control is all about fear. Fear is what drives people's need for control. And in a relationship, I would say that, trust has to be the primary filler, the primary foundation in your relationship, because trust has to come before love. Because if you don't have trust in your partner, it will destroy the love that you have for each other. And the reason is because when you don't have trust, that is when people clamp down in fear, and that is when they want to control the other person. They want to, they're always knowing what's going on, where they're going, what they're doing, like there's this level of paranoia. If you don't have trust, it will breed and fester paranoia in the relationship. And the more that happens, the more controlling that person is going to be. I always loved Osho, the Indian philosopher, who talked about how love was supposed to make you feel more free, right? True, healthy love is freeing, it's not controlling. When you love another person, you want them to have joy and you want them to have freedom. And, there are people who have challenges and, don't want their spouse or their partner going on vacation with the boys or things like that. And it's like, it's fear and control. And the reality is that if you can't trust your partner, what do you even have anyway, right? I mean, if you're in a committed relationship and you can't trust your partner to like go away for a week on vacation with his friends or her girlfriends, how solid is your relationship anyway? A healthy relationship is supposed to help both people grow. It's supposed to offer freedom and the ability to, take in life and enjoy things. And if you're trying to control your other person and you're trying to tell them who they can and can't hang out with, if they things like that, it's going to destroy the love, and it's going to suck all the oxygen out of the relationship. So if you find that you're being controlling, you need to go inside and figure out, is it wounding on my part that's making me feel the need to control this other person? Or is it, have I noticed flags about this person that's making me think I can't trust them, and that if I let them go, they're going to cheat on me, or they're going to, if they don't tell me about, the finances, they're going to, blow up the credit card, things like that. Trust has to be the cornerstone of your relationship. And you have to understand that every communication that you have, every act that you engage with in your connection with another person, either grows and strengthens your trust that you have with each other, or it destroys that trust. And let me tell you, one of the quickest ways to destroy trust is with white lies. Little white lies that you think don't matter, right? Because little white lies are like the tiny pinhole in a dam, right? And every little extra one you do creates another hole in the dam, and then it eventually will break. Because white lies destroy trust. It doesn't matter whether you spent too much, when you went, shopping for clothes or buying fishing gear, or whatever it is. Communication, healthy communication, and being honest. Lies will destroy the trust in your relationship, and it will come crashing down, because it will create that toxicity will fester out. Like, you tell one white lie, then you end up telling another, and then all of a sudden now your partner's like, wait a minute, what do you mean? And now they're starting to question everything you do. Trust has to be the cornerstone of your relationship, and the more trust you have, the more relaxed and safe both partners will feel in terms of giving the other one freedom and not walking around in like a paranoid state of needing to control the other person. Um, and if you've had betrayals in your past that cause you to be controlling with your current partner, then that's something that you need to heal and address for yourself, and take ownership of, and look in the mirror and realize that, if I'm being this overly controlling person, I could be destroying our relationship, and I have to own that. And that should drive you to do the healing work that you need in your relationship. So trust, one of the core pillars of a healthy, loving relationship. Trust will help to nourish and grow the ability for each partner to feel free and offer freedom in the connection, for that person to be themselves, to, connect with their friends that resonate with them and things like that. So just something I wanted to share with you. I hope you found value, and I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks. Bye.